Good afternoon, distinguished guests. May I please stand on the existing protocols? My name is Comrade Imeabe Savior Oscar. I represent South-South Youth Initiative. I also represent Coalition of Rivers State Youth Bodies. Before I proceed, may I please call on the attention of the RISEC chairman. Good afternoon, sir. I want to sincerely ask few questions. And these questions are also questions that is so much in the society in Rivers State now. There is a question, sir. And the first question is, how will an undemocratic process give birth to a democratic process? That's the first question, sir. Secondly, sir, it is obvious that as we speak, the emergency rule in Rivers State may as well be a lingering situation or lingering challenge to the success of the forthcoming local government election. May I also ask, what is the possibility that Rivers State resources will not be abused after the conduct of this election because litigation, a lot of persons are preparing for litigation just after the election. And what is the possibility that this election, or those that will be elected by the conduct of the local government election, will not be thrown out of office by the upcoming litigations? Secondly, finally, sir, I also want to believe that as we speak right now, sir, the emergency rule is not telling good on us. I watched on the news of what played out in the National Assembly, where we also question the legitimacy of a non-indigene as a RISEC chairman. How are we going to be able to handle situations like this when the election will come up? What is the possibility, sir, that people may turn up to vote come 30th of August as a result of this election and as a result of the emergency rule, that so many Rivers people are not happy and also need the reinstatement of the suspended governor? Thank you and God bless you.